everyone, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul. In this video, we are going to discuss about a feature of MS Excel called wrap text. After a long time, I'm here with a new video of Advanced Excel for Visually Impaired students. So I'm very happy because you love this playlist. So this is why I'm making new video here. So in this video, I've already told you that we're going to discuss about wrap text feature in MS Excel. So in MS Excel, there are cells, there are rows and columns. When we need to type the long text, for example, we want to type some address. So there we need to enter a long text, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, 5 lines, or we want to add some details, some information. So we need to add 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines. So how to add? If I am
auto save toggle button sheet A1.
A1, I am in A1. So for example, if I am typing, for example, my address ABC Road.
C8 blank.
So
Speak input help on. And speak type characters off. Speak type characters on.
ABC
space
Road.
RD.
So at the below of ABC Road, I want to type West Bengal or Kolkata, something like this. So if I press enter, let's see what will happen.
A2.
The focus will move to the next row, right? So this is why we need the feature which is called wrap text. So press the like button, and if you are new to this channel, do subscribe and share this video to know more about the wrap text.
ABCRDA1.
So I have deleted all these things. For example, now I'm going to type the address. My address is, for example, ABC Road, Kolkata 791123, right? So I'm going to type. For this, I need to activate the edit box. So I'm going to activate by pressing which key? I'm activating the edit box by pressing which key? You know which key? So comment below which key. I'm not going to repeat because I have already told you in our previous sessions. So I'm activating
Edit blank.
Okay, so edit blank. So here I am just going to type the first address ABC Road,
ABCE space RD
Road, then comma. Then I want to add the new line, but if I press enter, then my focus will again move to the next row. So instead of pressing enter, I have to press Alt plus enter. Let's see. I'm pressing up arrow.
ABCRD blank.
So blank. So here I am just typing Kolkata
KOLKATA
dash
num lock off
700
700
123.
123.
So this is the feature wrap text which helps us to write more than one line in a single cell. This is a very interesting feature of MS Excel. I hope you got my point. You have learned the things. So if really, then please comment below into the comment section that you have learned about the feature of MS Excel. So for more videos, share this channel and share this video also. Do subscribe, like this video. If you want, you can join us on Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and you can also like our Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.